you think is the future of design? And what are the innovative advancements that you foresee in upcoming years?
What do I see in terms of the future and the advancements and etc.? I see two things happening very clearly. One, of course, the technology side and the technology domain and the artificial intelligence and Internet of Things and etc. etc. All this is going to go great guns. On the other end, understanding of people, emotions, biochemistry, physiology uh, is going to go great guns, right? So these are two apparently opposing fields. Okay, they're pulling each other. At times, they're coming together. The opportunity lies in bringing them together for a better purpose. Okay, bringing them to hack into human beings or to hack into systems is not a good thing to happen to human beings, right? We will be replaced by AI robots, or we might be most of the jobs will get wiped out because they are redundant only analysis jobs. So that's not great, but that's going to happen. We cannot stop it. But what we can do as thinkers and designers, and I will say thinkers first and designers later, because designer, that word itself comes with a lot of dogma. All right. So people who can think, and that's where I want to keep it, is that try and see what is the possibility to bridge these two fields or worlds together for something purposeful. Like, let's say harmony, if you keep it as purpose, as an example, technology and biology or human understanding, human psyche, if they can be brought together to create harmony, then there is phenomenal possibility for people who can think, people who can make things happen, right? From policy, strategy to products to services. And then you get to see tremendous design possibilities evolving after all of this has been done. For service design, for experience design, for technological or humanizing technology for humans, etc. etc. These are the great possibilities. But please remember, we need to have our purposes defined really well, not only at an individual level, not at organizational or brand level, but also at the governmental level and country levels. Because if all the countries agree to say that yes, let's bring harmony, then we've got some great future happening. Otherwise, we are going to see a very different level of war, not nuclear, but artificial intelligence war race, right? So I think there's a great possibility. I'm a very optimistic person. I don't like to talk about negative or pessimistic things, but this is where the word of caution is. Try and find the purpose. Purpose has to be large. Try and bring these two worlds together. How technology can be brought to great use for humans, and how humans can use that technology for betterment of the planet. Okay, and not look at it myopically, saying that, oh, this task of mine, shopping on Instagram, has become so easy and I can order my food from the choicest restaurant and the dish that I love. That's the most menial of jobs that AI can do, right? We rather look at something much larger. That's my only suggestion and provocation to all of you guys is.